Newcraft here, and today you're about to see some 12-year-old becoming a 4-year-old, because today I am gonna be playing Roblox's scariest game. Well, I mean, it's based on an actual game, but today we're playing Granny, of course. By the way, I've been playing this game in Roblox a lot, so yeah. I am doing this in the alt account, so yeah, let's do this, guys. Plus, this video might get copyrighted, so yeah, I'm about to put on no music instead, alright? Now, so yeah, we're in Grandma's house, so first of all, we need to find some. Oh look, I found a wheel, let's go. Alright, then what's in there? Well, we could just flip the switch, then let's see what's in here. Man, could have been something useful there, but whatever. But let's just go there. Did someone already got the book? Oh wait, the book was like in the bedroom. That's why someone already got it. Okay, we got Teddy, and there's literally nothing. Come on, like give me something good. Okay, this is perfect. What's in there? It's a hammer. Okay, we got the hammer. But I'm a little bit scared that Grandma could be right up there, but let's see. Okay, we already got that. Now, what's in there? Nothing. What's in there? There's a code. Let's go. And I got 2 wheels, too. Okay, I guess we don't need the car key anymore. What's in there? Oh, it's just a picture that fell. Alright, let's see. In there, nothing there. What's in here? Nothing there. A wrench? We don't need that. What's in there? Nothing. Can you move? Alright, nothing there. Hey, move. Alright, there. Nothing there. And there's nothing there. Alright, come on. What's this? Part of a shotgun. Okay, we found the part of the shotgun. We all know where this goes. And I heard someone probably got the spider key so that we can, of course, get to the sewer. Plus, where's Grandma? Okay, we did it, but the problem is that I don't have any pliers. So we need to... Hey! Alright. We didn't! Okay, we all know where the meat goes for, but... First of all, let's get the spider key to the sewer. I've already found the battery, pliers and stuff, and master key. Grandma? Okay. Alright, let's just go. What's in here? Yes! I found the weapon key! This leads to the crossbow, you know, guys? Anyways, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I already got the crossbow. Now let's shoot here to get the screwdriver. Alright, first things first, we need to get another arrow because what if Grandma's outside? And we need to, of course, get to the garden. That happened to me when I go to the garden and I get jump scared all the time. And I don't get any weapons or even pepper spray. But now I got the crossbow. But first things first, I want to go check on this place where you get the, is there like padlock or something? Please be it. Oh, no, it's not, but the playoffs key. I already know where this goes. Oh, great. Now I'm gonna get oofed, of course. Get off me. Alright, let's see what it is. Oh, it's a button. Okay, remote control. Grandma? Grandma? I don't like this music so much. Take this, Grandma. Okay, we got her. Now let's go see what we got in the playhouse. Oh, it's the master key. What a pleasant surprise. But we're gonna check in the sewers now. I really hate this so much. Like, this was never even my favorite to do, what to do in Granny. What's in here? Please be a padlock. Nah! Oh, okay, we're in. Now let's go. Plus, I don't really know where's that spider, too. Like Angeline. Open door, and I already know it's number 1. Okay, I made a mistake. What? I thought I just saw number 1, though. Alright, eat. Oh, come on. There's no... Well, at least I found a wheel crank. But I need to go back to the sewer, though. Oh, great, there's Grandma there. We all know where she is. Now I have to go for that spider, bro. Like, I just don't really know what to do. Oh, great, she's here. I don't know where she's at. I don't know if she's in the left or right. I just don't really know. Oh, she's right there. Come on, go fast. Is she around? Oh, great, she's right there. Get in there! Get in there! Get in there! I don't like this so much. I found a wheel chain. Dude, when she will leave me alone, man. I'm trying to beat this game. Plus, I have no idea where she's going now. I have absolutely no idea. Bro, she's a camper. She's obviously a camper. Okay, she went to the other side. Quick! Let's go! I made it. Man, that spider is like fast than Granny. Faster than ever. Let's quickly... Yeah, I know it's the melon, because I haven't seen a melon. Yes, it is! Let's go! Come on, melon. I know what you got. This is taking forever. Let's go. We still have a few minutes, so we should get Slendrina, alright? Actually, I'm just not gonna get Slendrina for now, so yeah, let's just cut this melon and get the padlock. But wait, I have no idea where Granny is, so... Where is she, though? Granny! Okay, she's not around. Let's go! We did it, guys. Let's go. We beat Granny. Wow, bro. Man, I finally beat Granny in the alt account, man. I can't believe it. We did it, guys. Wait, there's a jump scare. Wow, well, so far we got a B. We beat it in 18 minutes, 1 fatalities, and we just got a door escape, like the main door. Well, that's all for, like, today's video. So, yeah, if you guys want me to do it with the Slendrina, like with the Teddy, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Alright.